The first thing we need to do is go to our Google site. So we're going to go to the apps, go to sites. Now you're going to see the old sites when you first get in, but we want to go to the new site. So click new site. Here you'll see the site you created earlier this year. Click on it to open it up. Now, we need to go ahead and add some pages for Folklorama. So at the top on the right-hand side, we're going to click on Pages. Now the plus sign means I can make a new page, so I'm going to click on it. And now we're going to make this page Folklorama. Notice how I have put the title in with a capital letter. Do not put all the letters in capitals, just the first one. Then click Done. Now, what we're going to do is click on Add Page again. Now we're going to make sub-pages. So these, if you want to add the name of your country, you can do that. So if you want to say, so we need to add traditional clothing. Notice capitals, and then you can click Done. Now, if I accidentally make a mistake, wait till it loads, then click on the three dots at the side and click Rename Page. And then you can add in the G or whatever you forgot, and then click out of it and it will fix it. We need to add another page that is food. So you can add traditional food or just food. You can add the name of the country, whatever you want. Click Done. And last but not least, we're going to add one more that is art or the arts. You can choose if you would like, and click Done. Now the last step is we're going to make these sub-pages, meaning Folklorama is going to be the main topic and each of these pages will go underneath. So how we do that is I'm going to click on the traditional clothing, click and hold down, and I'm going to pull it up so that's right underneath Folklorama. Okay, so you can see there's a blue line underneath. That means it's going to kind of stick to it. If I let go, now it has an L shape, and that means it will go underneath Folklorama. We're going to do the same with food. Click, pull, make it so it's blue, let go. So this is kind of a group. Notice that this is stuck together. It's like a group of pages together, and do the same with art, let go. Okay, so now when I go and I look at Folklorama, these are underneath. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go to your Folklorama page. So how you can get there is go to your navigation. Okay, click on Folklorama. And now we're going to add a part so that we can go directly to those pages if we want to. So I'm going to go up to text box, click on text box. And we're going to say table of contents. Okay, I can change the font by choosing one of these. I can make it look like a title. I can even separate it by adding an emphasis of color. I can put it in the middle if I want. Okay, so that kind of separates the text from the heading. Now I'm going to add another text box, and we're going to add traditional clothing, food. No, I'm just pressing enter between each to go to a new line, and the arts. You can add the name of the country if you would like as well. So now we're going to do one last thing to have it go to a new page. Okay, you can even make these larger if you want. Now, I'm going to highlight just traditional clothing. I'm going to go to where it says link, and I'm going to go down, 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 and find where it says traditional clothing. Click on it and press apply. Same thing with food. Highlight, link, go down, 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 click on food, apply. And highlight, link, go down all the way down to the arts, apply. Okay, now what's really cool about that is when I go to the eye and preview it, when I'm in the Folklorama page, I'm going to click on traditional clothing and it will send me right there. Okay, food, if I go back, okay, so now we're going to X out of here. All right, you can go ahead and publish this if you would like, and that way Every time you make changes, you want to publish it so that a teacher can see what you've done. If you don't press publish, no one will be able to see it. So that's all you should have for now, and now you can move on to the next video on research.